Hello children, good morning all of you. Hope everybody are safe at home. Today we are going to discuss about 17th dated 8th class assignment 2 children, and this is like descriptive wise model children, and first Roman is consisting 2 questions and each question carries 1 mark. Second Roman is consisting 2 questions and each question carries 2 marks, and third Roman consisting 4 marks question and one have only 1. And let us come back to first one of the first Roman. Solve the following. If m equal to 3, if m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2, then find the value of, find the value of 9m square minus 10n cube. 9m square minus 10n cube is equal to dash. So given that 9m square minus 10n cube, so put m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2, then 9 into 3 square minus 10 into 2 cube. Okay, now this is 9 into 3 raised 2 times children and 10 into 2 raised 3 times. Now this is 3 3 are 9, 9 9 are 81 minus 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 10 are 80. So finally the answer will be 1. So what is the value of 9m cube minus 9m square minus 10n cube? The value will be equal to 1. It is not for all cases children. It is equal to 1 when m equal to 3 and n equal to 2 case only. Okay. So our next question. Question number 2. What is question number 2? Simplify the given expression. Simplify 4 by 7 whole power minus 5. 4 by 7 whole power minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole power minus 7. 7 by 5 whole power minus 7 is equal to dash. Now four by 7 power minus 5 into 7 by 4 whole power minus 7 is equal to, children, as you know, negative exponent should comes to positive when the fraction is reciprocal. That means 4 by 7 can be changed as 7 by 4, then minus 5 will be changed as plus 5, and 7 by 4 can be changed as 4 by 7, then minus 7 will be taken as plus 7. So negative exponents. Now this is 7 raised 5 times, okay, and here 4 raised 5 times, and 4 raised 7 times, 7 raised 7 times. So according to highest power, you better to transpose, that is 4 minus 5 and this is 7 minus 5. Okay, so when you transpose plus 4 5 from denominator to numerator minus 5, plus 5 from numerator to denominator minus 5. So this is 4 square by 7 square. This will be equal to 16 by 49. 16 by 49. This is about simplification of the given expression, children. Okay. So our next question from the second Roman, children. That is question number 3, second Roman. What they given? Find x find the value of x if 2 power minus x 2 power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 power x. So what they given here, 2 power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 power x. So 2 power minus 3 is equal to transpose 2 power x, because it is in denominator. Let us transpose to numerator, then power of symbol will be changed. When we have, when a power m is equal to a power n, then we can say when the bases are equal, we can equate the powers. So from that, this is minus 3 is equal to minus x. When you cancel negative signs either sides, when you multiply either sides with minus 1, x value equal to 3. The value of x is 3. Okay children? So this is the value of x when 2 power minus 3 equal to 1 by 2 power x. Okay. So our next question, question number 4 from the second Roman. Find n if 7 power 2 n plus 1, 7 power 2n plus 1 into 49 is equal to 7 power 3 is yes. Now here this is 7 power 2n plus 1 into 49 can be written as 7, 7s are 49, so 7 raise it 2 times. So this is in the form of a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n children. So from this property we can say that this is 7 power 2n plus 1 plus 2. Now according to this, if a power m is equal to a power n, then it is m equal to n children. So when the bases are same, let us equate the powers. So 2n plus 3 is equal to 3. So 2n is equal to 0. From that n is equal to 0 by 2, 0. So what is the value of n children? N is equal to 0. This is 7 power 3. Okay. Right? The value of n is equal to 0. Okay. And our next question from the third Roman children. Question number 5. That is, simplify simplify 3 by 4 whole power minus 2 okay, divided by 4 by 5 whole power minus 3 into 3 by 5 whole power minus 2. 3 by 5 whole power minus 2 is how much? So first of all, when the fraction is reciprocal, power of symbol will be changed. So 3 by 4 will be changed as 4 by 3. Then minus 2 will getting plus 2 divided by. Now 4 by 5 can be changed as 5 by 4. Then minus will change as plus. Okay. Now 3 by 5 can be changed as its reciprocal. Then power of symbol will be changes from negative to positive. Now here this is 4 square by 3 square. When the division is changes as multiplication, then again it is reciprocal. So 4 cube by 5 cube into 5 square by 3 square. So finally this is 4 power 2 times 3 times 5 times, and 3 here 2 times, here 2 times, 4 times, and so 5 2 times in numerator. If you down to denominator, minus 2, then this is 4 to the power of 5 by 3 to the power of 4 into 5 raised one time. Okay children, so this is the final answer. This is 4 power 5 by 3 power 4 into 5. Okay, this is the final answer. So that's all for today's assignment children. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Keep working.